just installed some brushes. Brushes, smoke effect brushes. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12 in that set. Was there 11? Sorry. 11 in the set. I think there's 10 in this set. I think that one was just there anyway. 10 smoke brushes I've installed because I wanted to create an effect for a picture I done. So first of all, they're over here. This box next to the brushes is for the dimensions, size, aspect ratio, angle, spacing, so forth. Quite large, you'd have to bring them down, no doubt. When you bring up a picture, you're going to have to bring the size down. I'm going to go and get a picture. Okay, got one here, and as you can see I put the brush over and it's still quite big, so I need to bring that down a bit. And I was doing this yesterday. I'll bring that size down. I was doing this yesterday with this sort of, what's this, something orange dark red effect. Thought this might look good, a smoke effect creeping into a room. Let's get another brush. 10 on this. Try that one. Oh. That would look even better if someone's sitting there and a sort of smoke coming through. Now you can see the size of that brush. So I've got to go over to this other one, this tool option, to bring it down. That one started at 600 something. Usually they're 900. So you can move around, move the angle. Maybe I should move that angle. I'm going to move around some more. We can make some nice effects with this. Let's get more of an orange feel going on. What colour would that be? Let's get another brush. Oh, that's huge. Okay, go to the right, tool options, brush 990. Got to bring that down a long way. I'd have to move the angle on that. I mean, you can choose whatever colour you wanted. That looks nice. Smoke effect on pictures, less overwrite. Right, you have to export it. I've exported that image back. Oh dear. Right, so I had to pause there. Okay, it was just freezing. It was in the background, export as. Okay, so it's back on now. So let's get another image and try that again. That one wasn't bad, but I think I can do a better one. Okay, another image. I want to try this with orange. I've been messing around a lot with the colour orange, as if some kind of smoke effect was coming out at her or something. That's what I'm trying to achieve. So let's get another brush. What's this one? Huh. Well, I'm just messing around, experimenting with them. It's a very nice brush set. I've done some other images. And create nice effects. And this is how you bring the brush size down. And you also really want to mess around with the angles. Otherwise they're always going to be the same, moving them about. Oh, that's a bit. So forth, so forth. Choose any colour. Choose any colour on that box. That's the 4 box. Not amazing effect really, but it gives you an idea of what you could do. I'll leave a link below where you could get those brushes from.